Okay, this is my long TV remote. It's already worn out. Now I want to make my own remote control. Okay, so this is my custom-made Arduino long TV remote control. It has 7 buttons. Okay, this is the on button, this is the back button, menu button, up, down, left, right. This is to switch the channel. Okay, and here you can see there is a LED infrared transmitter. Okay, to transmit the code. Yeah, all the code is already stored inside the Arduino. Okay, now I want to demonstrate to you my remote control. Yeah. Okay, see, I can press maybe the left button. See that? And then right. Okay, and then go to this menu. I can enter into land movie. And then maybe, see that? Maybe I play this one. Hold on a second, maybe I want to go down the drama. Oh, I love Cobra Kai. I can even, I'm successful. Bye.